Ken Hardesty. I own Battery Equaliser USA. We make an additive for batteries. This is a liquid additive that goes into any lead acid battery. This is a golf cart with six 6-volt batteries. It has a 36-volt system in it, and we're going to treat these batteries with Battery Equaliser as a maintenance product that will reduce the rate of sulfation and maintain the running time that it has. You want to wear gloves and protective glasses, and if you can, an apron or a shop coat or something to protect your clothes. So the first thing you want to do when you're treating batteries is you want to do just a physical inspection of the outside. Okay, now let's take a look at it. That's the wires. We want to check those. Looks like everything's tight. There's nothing loose, nothing coming off. There's a little bit of corrosion, but not bad. All the corrosion are things that if you take the nut off, pull off the wire brush off and get rid of all of the corrosion, you'll have a better fitting. You'll pass more current through with less resistance if it's clean, if it's a good, solid, clean connection. Okay? With our multimeter, you can buy this at most any parts store, Home Depot. You can spend between $10 and about $30 for this. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go from positive to negative. And we're at about 6.5 volts, so there's no problem. This battery is fully charged. Let's open this up here. Okay. Now we have a chance to look inside. Now also notice there's water in here. There's water that is up to the bottom of the filler neck, which is good. It's like a collar around it. It's got little slots in it. You want to fill it to the bottom of the filler neck so the slot is open. This is a hydrometer. This measures the specific gravity in the electrolyte. This is about a $10 item. You can get this at most any part store. We're going to squeeze this out and suck up the electrolyte in here. Now, we sucked up the electrolyte and it came up to this level. We want to make sure you use the level that's on the gauge, so you get the right amount in there. Okay, this is showing that we have a specific gravity that's a little under 1200. That's not good. So we're not getting all of the acid out of the positive plate when we're charging, because the acid's in there in the battery. It isn't being forced out of the positive plate, probably because of sulfation. So now we'll check the other. Now, be very careful not to splash this on yourself. It's good. We've checked the specific gravity and all these cells are good. Now we're going to put in the appropriate dose of Battery Equaliser. In this battery, we need 2 ounces per cell. All you do is put it in, squirt it out, and now we'll repeat it on these other cells. Now that we've determined that all of these batteries have the proper voltage, there's no dead cell, and there's no dead cell because all the specific gravity is up. Now we're going to treat all of these batteries with 2 ounces per cell, and then we're going to have to do the charge and discharge cycles. You have to exercise these batteries, charge them and discharge them. Use the standard charger, and antique as it is for this model here, but this is still the battery charger that was recommended. Use this. Charge the batteries up. Go play golf. Bring it back. Charge the batteries up. Go play golf. Allow 5 cycles, 5 charge-discharge cycles, to see the full effect. And you should come back close to what the batteries were when they're new, when you get rid of all of the resistance that had built up through the sulfation. Go play golf.